Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we'll cover return on a common stock. Return on a common stock has two parts. First of all, common stockholders receive dividends. In the meantime, common stockholders also receive capital gains if the price of the common stock increases. To find out return on a common stock, we need to find out dividend yields of the common stock, which is expected dividend divided by purchase price of the stock. So the expected dividend, next dividend, is denoted by DIV1 divided by P0. P0 indicates purchase price or initial price of the common stock. Secondly, we also need to find out capital gain yield of the common stock. Capital gain yield of the common stock is equal to expected next year price or expected price, future price of the common stock divided minus purchase price of the common stock divided by purchase price of the common stock. Over here, P1 indicates expected price, future price of the common stock. P0 indicates purchase price of the common stock. So capital gain yield of the common stock is equal to P1 minus P0 divided by P0. So total return of the common stock is equal to capital gain yield plus dividend yield. Let's look at an example of common stock return. Suppose you have bought a common stock, 100 shares of IBM common stock today for $84.40. You sell them $102.75 after 1 year, and over the next year IBM pays $2.230 per share dividend. Now you need to find out your total return. Here P0, which is your purchase price of this common stock, is $84.40. Then expected selling price of this stock is $102.75, and finally dividend of this stock, IBM stock, is $2.20. So we can find out total return of this stock using this formula. The first part indicates capital gain yield, and the second part of this formula indicates dividend yield. So using this formula, capital gain yield of this IBM stock is 21.7%, and dividend yield of IBM stock is 2.61%. So total return is 24.35%. Let's look at the summary. In the last two videos, we have learned the main difference between debt and equity. We have also learned the key features of equity instruments. There are two types of equity instruments: common stock and preferred stock. And finally, in this lecture, we have learned how to find out return on a common stock. In our next video, we'll cover stock valuation.